Hello and welcome to my Bermi challenge number 1. So on this Flask app I built both the front end and the back end, just because really. But on the front end here you can see on the home tab we have a list of all of the feeds here that I've selected for this challenge. If we go to the subscriptions tab, we'll see a list of subscriptions that I've selected with the titles displayed here, as well as when you click on them it'll show the list of those posts from that particular feed. Now moving over to the API tab, looking at the back end, let's go ahead and take a look at this first one, list of subscriptions. And it outputs some JSON here for us. I didn't do pretty print on the app so that it could reduce data size. And then just to show you what it looks like as far as the format is concerned, so I have each subscription under a nested element here. And then let's look at an example of one that is just one single subscription, just looking at the subscription information here still. So looking again to pretty print so you can see subscription, ID, title, URL. And then looking at a particular subscription's entries. And when we pretty print this one, you can see the subscription information here at the top and then the entries in another element below, since we're only dealing with one subscription. And then when dealing with all subscriptions and all their entities, it's formatted a little bit differently once you pretty print. You have the subscriptions, which is a full list of all of the individual subscriptions, which has the entries here, again, alphabetical order. And then once we scroll down far enough, we will see oh, here we go. We'll see the ID, title, URL here at the bottom. So thank you for taking a look and have fun.